Good morning. DIY, your homely remedy, your healthy meals. Now, this is ginger. This is raw ginger, as you can see. This is turmeric, organic, fresh, raw turmeric. This beautiful tuber, they are in the same family. Now, you want to make your ginger tea. Now, you blend or you grind you dry your ginger root first. This is ginger, it's been dried. This is turmeric, has been dried. So for your ginger tea, the powder you can make, this is already blended or grind to a powder. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do ginger powder separately. This is the one I made earlier. Make the ginger powder separately and make the turmeric powder separately, and some bits of the ginger and the turmeric I can put together, I blend them, then you can have your ginger and turmeric powder together blended, or you can mix. It depends the ratio you want, but that's what I'm going to do. So I have my grinder here and I am going to add this dry ginger. This is already been dry. It took some days to dry. So this is dry. And I'm going to grind. Put this in my grinder here. That's the powder I made earlier. Then I'm going to sift. This is still ginger. Oh. Oh yeah. Sorry. So sift my ginger powder. Okay, that's the then you would notice two colors. This one looks white because what happened when we clean and scrape the ginger, this is what we got. We clean this ginger, and the heads, the little heads at the top with some of the skin, top skin, we dried separately. So we have this one with brown color, and this one we clean have this white color. You know the difference. You know why? You know that's the case because the top, the skin, has its own color. Now, so I'm going to put this separate as well. Yeah. So sometimes when you buy ginger, you can see that you can see the colors. It is how it's been prepared. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to now grind the turmeric. This is the turmeric, dry turmeric. This is dry turmeric, which I am going to grind now separately. Very nice. Lead. Okay. So now again I'm going to sieve this. I'm going to sieve the turmeric and see what you got. So I'm going to do this several times to get the desired effect, to get the kind of powder I want. Now, sometimes this is a sun-dry turmeric, and sometimes it depends. You want to dry it faster, we put it in the oven and you dry that faster. So now this is the powder turmeric. Now if I did do this several times, the first one will come brown, the next one will be kind of will give you a different color. Will give you the yellowish or golden color, because the first one will have the skin, then after the skin the color coming will be different. Okay, now it's browner. This is a bit brown. Yeah. So I'll do this until I get the golden color. Okay, now I got a difference in the color here. Now, as I was saying, this other color is different. You can see different colors. Okay, the first one I did, the color is brownish. The second one I did, the color, this is darker, this one is brighter. When I continue to blend this, then I'll end up having the golden color I was looking for. Yeah. So I put this again to blend. Yeah. So this is going to take a little while to get the whole stuff. Yeah, it's changing color gradually. Okay, now this one I'm doing now is the color is different. Okay, So this is purely the turmeric. This is purely the turmeric. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I've got this is the ginger. After I blended earlier, this is the remaining. I still need to grind to powder. So I'll put this right here. Okay. This is another bit here. I don't want to use more. Yeah. Then I'm going to add now the turmeric to make a blend of turmeric and ginger. I want to do the same ratio. Yeah, because yeah. So this is what you want for tea. You can also use it to cook. So now I am doing the ginger and the turmeric for tea. Turmeric powder, not honey. This is turmeric. When I continue to do this, I will get the color change to kind of golden. Okay. So now I have here the blend of turmeric and ginger, and that's good for your tea. And we're not going to waste this. Yeah. This we're going to boil whatever is left after several blends. Whatever is left, we boil. We're not going to waste. The same way we did with the skin, so we're not wasting anything. Okay. And say I'm going to do a ginger turmeric tea. Now I boil my kettle there. Okay. I boil my kettle for a quick ginger and turmeric tea. Yep. To eat healthy, drink healthy, a healthy lifestyle is a lot of patience, a lot of effort you put. You know, put effort, patience, ingenuity, being, thinking, how can I get, things the way I want them. That's the best way. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add this 1 teaspoon to this my drinking something. Then this is honey I brought from Africa, Sierra Leone in particular, which I've been using. That is pure organic honey. It's not treated, from the forest, squeezed, bottled, and I brought it. So I'm going to have my turmeric tea right from what I have just prepared. This is ginger and turmeric. Like a boiled water here. Just boiled. Yeah. There you are. That is your ginger and turmeric. Now, honey, a teaspoon of honey. My honey bottle is not fanciful, but it's what you put is what you get. Now, this has got some residue. If I want, I can strain this. I can strain this if I want. In fact, I can go ahead and just strain it. I mean, for the beauty of this video, I'm going to strain this. Well, I've got another glass there. And I'm going to use a sieve. I should have another sieve here, ideally, because I want to soak this. Yep, there you are. So let me use this. It's not the one that I would love to use. I have a smaller one. I cannot see now. Okay, I've got one. This is the one I normally would use. Wash. And I'm going to strain this. Okay. So I've strained this because I didn't get it powdered the way I wanted it. But that's good effort. That's your ginger tea. Okay, wow. So hot. Hot. But that is it. Healthy drink. Thank you for watching.